I do my best work when I'm relaxed. And for me, yoga plays a big part in helping me unwind. Taking breaks in a busy schedule, connecting with my breathing, stretching and strengthening my body becomes essential. Today we spend more time in front of our screens, typing away at keyboards and smartphones, often resulting in strained muscles. To help you relax the most important tools of your desktop setup, your hands and wrists, Logitech and Grounded Factory have created a short hand yoga routine suitable to perform on your mousepad. First, let's take a few deep breaths to clear your mind. Get grounded in the present moment. Let's start the practice with downward facing mouse. Put your thumb back and stretch your other fingers forward. It's important in yoga not to rush the movement. Instead, slow down. Do it mindfully. Allow the fingers and wrists to gradually soften. Breathe in through the nose and fill your lungs with air, and slowly breathe out through the mouth. We're moving into desktop curl. Try curling your fists while you press the back of your hand onto the mat. Then slowly curl your fist forward, as if trying to bring your knuckles towards your wrist. Repeat a few times and feel the stretch in your forearm. For the Plow Pose, turn your palm up, keeping your forearm straight. Go finger by finger, pushing it against the thumb, until you get to the pinky finger. Focus on your breathing. Breathe in when you push your fingers together, and breathe out when letting go. Open up your forearm by grabbing the index finger with your other hand and bending it back, pressing gently. This is our happy finger pose. Continue with the rest of the fingers. Breathe in and pull the next finger towards you. Breathe out and let go. This creates a good stretch for both your forearms and fingers. For the crow control pose, take a deep breath in and clench your fists as tightly as possible. Exhale while spreading your fingers as wide as you can. Inhale to clench and exhale to spread. Repeat a few times. We're moving into our alt plow pose. Release tension in your forearm by gently bending the fingers towards you with the help of your other hand. Take a few breaths here, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And for our final resting pose, the Shavasana, we're simply going to lay our hand down in a comfortable position. Allow your hand to become more and more relaxed. A moment of stillness. We hope you enjoyed this hand yoga practice, which has been centered around stretching and strengthening the muscles, as well as giving you a break in a busy schedule. We hope you'll be back next time you need a moment to recharge. Namaste.